As per the most recent long-haul estimate, Ethereum cost will hit $6,000 toward the finish of 2024 and afterward $7,000 by the center of 2025. Ethereum will ascend to $8,000 inside the time of 2027, $9,000 in 2028, $10,000 in 2030, and $12,000 in 2033. About Ethereum. Ethereum is an open-source blockchain framework that generally broadens the idea of blockchain past its unique relationship with digital currencies like Bitcoin. Presented in 2015 by Vitalik Buterin and a group of engineers, Ethereum is planned as a decentralized stage that empowers savvy agreements and circulated applications dApps to be constructed and worked with no free time, misrepresentation, control, or obstruction from an outsider. At its center, Ethereum's essential advancement lies in its utilization of brilliant agreements. Savvy contracts are self-executing contracts with the conditions of the arrangement straightforwardly composed into lines of code. These agreements naturally uphold and execute the provisions of the arrangement in view of predefined rules, without the requirement for delegates. This capacity has opened up an immense range of utilizations, from the production of decentralized finance DeFi stages that proposition loaning, getting, and exchanging administrations without the requirement for conventional monetary middle people, to the formation of decentralized independent associations DAOs that work in light of aggregate decision production of their individuals without unified authority. Ethereum likewise presented the idea of a programmable blockchain, where designers can make their own tasks of any intricacy, in this manner empowering the production of different decentralized applications. This is worked with by Ethereum's local programming language Strength, which permits engineers to compose savvy contracts and convey them on the Ethereum blockchain. Ethereum's importance lies in its cryptographic money as well as in its boundless applications empowered by brilliant agreements. A stage is prepared for another time of decentralized computerized applications, from money and gaming to inventory network the board, and then some trying customary models of control and offering another worldview of conveyed agreement and trust. Why is the Ethereum cost so unstable? Ethereum, in the same way as other digital currencies, is known at its cost unpredictability. This implies the cost of Ethereum can rise or fall decisively in an exceptionally brief time frame. A few variables add to this instability, making it both an intriguing and hazardous speculation. Market feeling, first and foremost, assumes a tremendous part. Reports, online entertainment posts, and public proclamations by compelling individuals can influence individuals' discernments decidedly or adversely, prompting fast cost changes. For example, in the event that a notable business person tweets something certain about Ethereum, its cost could flood as additional individuals hurry to get it, trusting the worth will keep on climbing. Hypothesis likewise adds to the unpredictability. Many individuals purchase Ethereum not to utilize it, but rather trusting it will increment in esteem so they can sell it at a benefit. This speculative exchanging can prompt fast cost swings as financial backers respond to momentary open doors or dangers, frequently founded on restricted data or bits of gossip. The liquidity of Ethereum, how effectively it tends to be traded at a steady cost, likewise influences its unpredictability. Contrasted with customary business sectors like stocks or land, the digital money market is less fluid. Importance, even little exchanges can immensely affect the market cost. This absence of liquidity can prompt emotional cost developments as merchants endeavor to enter or leave their positions. Moreover, administrative news can cause critical cost developments. At the point when an administration reports new guidelines or boycotts concerning digital currencies, it can prompt vulnerability among financial backers. For instance, in the event that a significant economy like the US or China presents severe guideline, it could make the cost fall as individuals dread the effect on Ethereum's convenience and acknowledgement. In conclusion, the innovation and improvement of Ethereum itself can impact its cost. Refreshes, new elements, or huge changes in the Ethereum blockchain can prompt cost changes. Financial backers could respond emphatically to updates that work on the stage's proficiency, security, or adaptability, prompting cost increments. Alternately, postponements or issues with updates can prompt abatements in cost. Verifiable forecasts. The 3s are 1 2s into 4. Ethereum value forecast 2024-2025. Ethereum cost began in 2024 at $2.9470. Today, Ethereum exchanged at $3,386.04, so the cost expanded by 48% from the start of the year. The Guaj Ethereum cost toward the finish of 2024 is $6,211, and the year-to-year change plus 171%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 83%. In 2024, we hope to see further 5,581 per 1 Ethereum. In the main portion of 2025, the Ethereum cost will move to $7,622. In the final part, the cost would lose $760 and close the year at $6,862, which is plus 103% to the ongoing cost. Ethereum forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Ethereum cost would move from $6,862 to $10,067, which is up 47%. Ethereum will begin 2026 at $6,862, then dip to $6 to $796 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $6 to $989. That implies plus 106% from today. Ethereum forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Ethereum cost would ascend from $10,067 to $14,328, which is plus 42%. Ethereum will begin 2031 at $10,067, then take off to $10,671 inside the main portion of the year and finish 2031 at $11,271. It is about plus 233% from today. So 2152 Ethereum value expectation 2024-2025. Ethereum cost began in 2024 at $2,294.70. Today, Ethereum exchanged at $2,782.29, so the cost expanded by 21% from the very outset of the year. The Guaj Ethereum cost toward the finish of 2024 is $5,934, and the year-to-year change plus 159%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 113%. In 2024, we hope to see $4,695 per 1 Ethereum. In the principal half of 2025, the Ethereum cost will move to $6,547. In the final part, the cost would lose none another than 75 and close the year at $5,572, which is plus 100% to the ongoing cost. Ethereum expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Ethereum cost would move from $5,572 to $8,626, which is up 55%. Ethereum will begin 2026 at $5,572, then at that point, take off to $5,760 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $6,624. That implies plus 138% from today. Ethereum forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Ethereum cost would ascend from $8,626 to $11,559, which is plus 34%. Ethereum will begin 2031 at $8,626, then, at that point, take off to $9,144 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2031 at $9,658. It is about plus 247% from today.